Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless miter saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee 2734-21 HDP Fuel 18 volts Lithium. The Milwaukee 2734-21 HDP compound miter saw is as premium as a miter saw can get and comes at a price that doesn't break the bank. This saw is even equipped with an extra 18 volts battery to ensure that you can use it for extended periods without having to stop to charge it. Additionally, the batteries used in this saw are some of the best in the industry when it comes to quality. The 2734-21 HDP also allows you up to 400 cuts on just a single charge, which is more than sufficient for most users. The 10-inch blade and stainless steel detent plate will enable you to not only push the limits, but also to do so without having to worry about frequent replacements. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Makita XSL06PT 18V10 Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The Makita XSL06PT Cordless Miter Saw comes with a 10-inch blade, which makes it especially good at creating quality cuts. Additionally, the saw comes equipped with speed change software that varies the speed of the blade automatically depending on the job. This feature not only works to enhance the quality of your cuts, but also improves the machine's efficiency, which allows you to use the saw for more extended periods before the charge runs out. The Makita XSL02Z offers you a decent 334 cuts per charge using its 36-volt batteries. However, given its enhanced efficiency, we feel that its manufacturers can improve on the number of cuts. At number 3, we have the DCS 361M120 VMAX Cordless Miter Saw. DeWalt is arguably the most known brand when it comes to cordless miter saws, and with good reason. The company never compromises on quality. The DeWalt DCS 361M1 sticks to these high standards and is a popular choice among consumers. First off, weighing in at only 31 pounds, the DCS 361M1 is among the lightest miter saws on the market. Additionally, it comes with a cross-cut positioning system with an LED light, plus an oversized bevel scale, which all work to enhance the quality of your work. At number 2, we have the Ridgid R48607K 18-volt sliding miter saw kit. The Ridgid R48607K is renowned in carpentry circles for its durability. In fact, this cordless miter saw is so durable that its manufacturers provide you with a lifetime warranty once you purchase the product. Additionally, it only weighs 24 pounds, which makes it one of the lightest cordless miter saws on the market. Its lightweight ensures that you can take it with you just about anywhere. The Ridgid R48607K also comes with an LED cut light indicator, which works to enhance the precision of your cuts. Its ergonomic design not only makes it easier to carry around, but to use as well. And finally, at number 1, we have the Makita XSL02Z 18 volts Dual Slide Compound Miter Saw. The Makita XSL02Z Compound Miter Saw is one of the best cordless miter saws out there when it comes to the ability to adjust to different types of materials. This saw can adjust its torque to create a quality cut automatically. The automatic speed change system also allows it to be more efficient, thus conserving power. The Makita XSL02Z can perform both vertical and cross cuts, and has a 5,700 RPM cutting capacity, which makes it an extremely powerful tool. It is powered by two 18 volts batteries. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.